removable trays, adjustable. Got mollies. Oh, American flag, awesome. Alright, so this pouch right here lifts up so you can fit more items in here, and it folds down as well, just like that. Has fish poles, so you can actually have fish pole holders. Slide your fish pole right in there, lock it in place. So let's look at it the way it's intended. Nice. So you got 4 small little tackle boxes. That zips up. That part folds down, and then you have storage on top here. This zips up. Awesome. Pouch there for sunglasses. It's a nice, like, soft material that way your sunglasses don't get scratched up. There's another pouch here. You could like pliers and tools and stuff, so the handle will stick out. That zips up. Another pouch in there. Kind of like little key loops. And another pouch here. Has a padded backside. And 2 more fish pole holders right here. Awesome. So in total, you could carry 3 fish bowls, just like that. Awesome.